What up guys, Matt6 here and welcome to today's video. We finally got the Hivemapper, guys. I've been talking about it for a while now, but it's finally arrived. Super excited about it. We're gonna unbox it today in this video, and then we're gonna go ahead and show you how to set it up in your car and how to set up the app and everything in next video. If you guys are still waiting for your own Hivemapper Dashcam, then definitely check out these videos where I share with you guys how to earn honey tokens right now while you're still waiting to receive your Dashcam. Anyways, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. So they use FedEx, that's cool, and let's see what we got in here. Oh boy, we got, not only because I am a sponsor of Hivemapper, we got not only the Hivemapper Dashcam, which is right here. It's a pretty nice box actually. We also got a, look at this hoodie right here. Ugh. And I already got a shirt from them that I received in the past, so they're a really awesome company to work with. I'm really excited to use the product for my own now, rather than only be able to talk about it and such. So, Hivemapper, get the Hivemapper logo, honey logo right there. Let's go ahead and open up this bad boy. All right, so you can see we got the dash cam right here on top. So this isn't the Model S, of course. This is the one that's mainly designed to just be able to take photos and update the app. You get to be your own Google car. However, there is a Model S version which acts as an actual security dash cam as well, so that's an option. So you can see there are screw holes here and here and here, just so you have different mounting options in case you need to make your own mounting option. Let's see what else it comes with here. So it looks like it comes with a way to stick it to your windshield. That's good. And then you'll use one of these to screw it in. All right, cool. We'll go over that in the next video. So then you got the charger for your car, of course. And then I believe that's it, as well as a help guide to help you set everything up, set up the app and everything. And yeah, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this little unboxing, guys. And remember guys, next video I'm going to show you how to set it up. That includes like what you need to do in the app and how to set it up in the car, so that way it's positioned correctly and stuff, what you want to actually look for to get a good view and everything. And of course every car is going to be different, so keep that in mind as well. And guys, don't forget to use my code Matt6 to get a nice discount on your own Hivemapper Dashcam. Anyways guys, I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing, and I hope that you enjoy the crypto channel. And if you guys wouldn't mind, go subscribe to my gaming channel as well. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, your love and support. Subscribe if you want to see more content about Hivemapper, about Helium, about the Neo, the Demo, anything like that, because once a month we do a monthly live stream where I share with you guys how much tokens I actually earn for all of those devices and different passive income. Anyways guys, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe, trade safe, and God bless. Peace. Hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. Hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. Anyways guys, I hope that